Hello guys, I want to do a battery replacement on a Honda Civic 2011. I'm sorry, not a Honda Civic, Honda Accord. Again, this is 2011 Honda Accord. And here's what the buttons look like. I'm going to give you guys a breakdown on what's going on here. Just give me a second. I didn't see a video online that actually explained this. But here's what it looks like, okay? You got the back here. You got the back right here and the front here, and those are the buttons that sits on top like this, or underneath, whatever you want to call it. And when you take this out, it's gonna look like one piece right here, okay? I gotta do this with one hand. Anyway, so it's just gonna look like one solid piece, okay? That's what here's the numbers on the back. I don't know if you guys can read it. Let me lay this down so you guys can read some of these numbers. Hold on. Okay, I know it's a little erased, whatever you want to call it, but that's it. But the reason I'm doing this video for just one reason. When you go to take this apart, okay, it looks, let me put this together, it looks like this, right? All the ones they have on YouTube, they have a screw on the bottom and the back, but this model doesn't. So all you got to do, I just took a butter knife, see a butter knife right there, and I wedged it right in here. There's a little slit on the side. Let me back up so you guys can see. So that's the back, right? It sits like this. All you got to do is just take your butter knife. Don't push too hard, just kind of stick it in here and turn a little, and that releases the back. There's no screws on that model. You just open this up, and you're going to see this inside here, okay? It's gonna look like this, right? So all you gotta do is just pull this part out, and again, you don't need any tools for any of this. And all you gotta do is just loosen up this clip, and the back comes off, and here's the battery. Give me a second. And the battery should come right off. I'm gonna try to use my hand to do it, or my fingers, I mean. My girlfriend just made me cut all my nails. Now I can't do anything. Okay, so let me see how I can get this out. Hang on one second, guys. I gotta sorry about this. I gotta grab some tools. Hold on. I got the screwdriver kit here that works really well. It's a precision kit. It's like $10 on Amazon or whatever. Anyway, so let's try to find a flathead and figure out how to get this battery out. I'm pretty sure it's just gonna pop out. Okay, so you want to come in here. It's actually notched, and you're just gonna lift up on it, okay? Okay. Here's the battery. Okay. Here's the number. Can you guys read this? Hang on a second. I want to zoom on it without being blurry. Okay, so what is the CR1616? Okay, Energizer battery. What I'm going to do, I'm going to grab some coins. This way you guys get a good idea on what it looks like, or what size it is. I'll be right there, guys. Give me a second. Okay, so I grabbed a quarter and a dime to give you guys an idea what it looks like. So if you guys look right here, okay, so you can see that it's slightly smaller than a dime, and a dime is the smallest coin, but it's actually smaller. For some reason I thought it was going to be this size, like, you know, the one that they use in computers, but it's not. It's a lot smaller. Again, that's let me read the number off of the back here. It's CR, hang on, let me put these coins away here. CR1616, I think that's what it says. Let me put that here. Can you guys see that? It's an Energizer battery, so you know it's going to be pretty good. Okay, but that's all I have for you guys today. Just remember, if you ever run into this model here, it's going to look like this, right? It has no screws. You know how all the ones that they show on YouTube, they all have a little screw here? This model doesn't. All you got to do is just take your butter knife, stick it right in here, and just give it a little twist, and that'll lift, and then move down, and then give it another lift, and that will pop the cover up. Okay, just go real gentle with it. And I'm gonna go ahead and reassemble everything here. So the battery here, if you guys, I'm waiting on the new ones to come in. I haven't received a new battery yet. Just remember, when you go put the battery in, you see where it says plus here? Can you guys see it says plus right on the bottom? And if you come back here, and it says plus, so make sure the plus is facing down, okay? So the big part, the fat part, faces down, so you gotta do it like this, okay? Just take this, like this, push it toward the little spring and push down on it, and it should hold in place. I don't know if I did this right or not. Let me do it again. Start at the bottom right here. I'm sorry, I'm not doing a good job. Start right here. Oops. Start at the bottom here. Okay, start at the bottom, and then push. I'm not doing a good job, sorry. And then push down on it, and it sits in place, right? Make sure you start right here and push down on it, and that locks it in place. And if you want to take it out, just put your finger right in here, lift up on it, and it comes right out. Okay, I'm going to do this again. Watch, guys. Just push down, and that holds it. Oh, I didn't do a good job. Hang on. Get this part in here, and then push down on it, and you'll feel it sit in place. Hang on, I'm doing a horrible job. Sorry about that, guys. So, just push down on it and apply a little pressure, and it goes right in place. Okay. Make sure it's nice and flat. See how it's uneven? I don't know if you guys can see. It's actually sitting in an angle. Let me go back and do it again. Okay, so let me do this again. I'm gonna put my hands around the camera on both sides. So all you gotta do is just push down here. Push down. Push down. Shouldn't take more than 10 seconds, but you see now it's nice and flat. Okay? So remember, the skinny part faces up and the fat part faces down. See what I mean? When the little circle here faces up and the other part faces down. And it's labeled on the plastic, it says plus, on the back of the battery it says plus. So make sure the plus faces down, and that's all. And then when you come back here, you don't need any tools on this. See how you got a big notch here, and you got another big notch down here? All you got to do is, I'm trying to figure out what's the best way to put this in. Oh, okay, it's actually shaped. You can't really mess it up even if you try, because it only goes in one way. So just apply a little pressure, and there it goes. There it goes. So it's all together, and that's what it looks like. Okay, that's what the inside looks like. And you just go back to your key fob. I don't have the new battery yet, so basically you're gonna take this, you're gonna slip it in here, push down on this, and that's what it looks. Oh my God, it's not right. If it's not right, you can tell from the front, because the buttons wouldn't even look right. I mean, they won't stick out, and you want them to stick out. So what you want to do, you just want to come in here, push down on this, and here's what it looked like on the front. Boom. See how nice and flush? Make sure you try the buttons. Okay. In the back, none of this require any tools, guys. In the back, just basically snaps on. Okay. Okay, you just push it in. No tools. You just push it in. So all you gotta do is just put a little butter knife here, twist, slide up, twist, and then the cover comes off. I hope this video helped. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. And that little tiny screwdriver that I use here to get the battery out, it's really not required. All you gotta do is just get your nail on the one side and just lift up, and it comes up. So you can do this whole process without using any tools whatsoever. Best of luck. If you guys have any questions, please leave your comment below, and I'll get back with you as soon as possible. Thank you and have a great day. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and share this video if you enjoyed it. Thank you. 2011 Honda Accord key fob battery replacement.